deload week, shoulder health is super important to me. Tore rotator cuff muscle a few years back, couldn't lift my left arm above my shoulder, so I had to completely rebuild my left shoulder. Start off with some mobility work, stretching my lats, some overhead, and then I got distracted trying to figure out how to do the coordination for a muscle up. Definitely got some work to do on these, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Alright, so I start off the resistance training part of my workout with some horizontal banded internal external rotations. Just 10 to 15 reps internal, 10 to 15 reps external, both shoulders. Next up, do some vertical internal external rotations while laying on the floor. This is an amazing exercise. Just going light here, but this will really help bulletproof your shoulders. Then on to some banded overhead press. There's another one. So between this and the lying on the floor internal external rotations, these two were the two biggest exercises in rebuilding my shoulders. Next up, another favorite of mine, banded face pulls. Can't go wrong with those. 3 different bands attached to the post. Just do as many reps as I can with each band until I can't do any more. Total of 3 sets overall. Alright, last couple exercises. Put some ankle cuffs on my wrists. Do some rear delts on the cable machine. Once I'm done that, move on to some lateral raises. Nice and light, just getting some good shoulder movement in, blood pumping in there. Getting the shoulders ready to get back to some heavy pressing next week.